How to make easy keto smoked salmon lunch bowl. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 12-ounce smoked salmon, 4 tablespoon mayonnaise, 2-ounce spinach, 1 tablespoon olive oil, half medium lime, salt and pepper, to taste. The preparation: 1. Get all of the ingredients prepped. Add the lime juice to the mayonnaise if you prefer. 2. Arrange the salmon, spinach, and mayonnaise on a plate. Drizzle olive oil over the spinach. 3. Season with salt and pepper, and garnish with lime wedges. Then serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 2 servings of easy keto smoked salmon lunch bowl. Each serving comes out to be 457 calories, 34.8 grams fats, 1.9 grams net carbs, and 32.3 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you.